My name is Melissa Thornton, and I'm going to be talking today about the implementation standard for professional learning. That is defined as professional learning that increases educator effectiveness and results for all students. It applies research on change and sustained support for implementation of professional learning for a long-term change. Now there's three components to this. The first is applying change research. So in order to apply change research, you have to draw from multiple bodies of research in order to get the best possible methods. You integrate that research both individually as an organization in technical skills and adaptive skills. And learners maintain a sustained focus on goals. And the way that you do that is you commit to those goals for the long term. You set clear goals and high expectations for yourself to implement those goals. And leaders for professional learners need to understand individual responses to change so that they can differentiate their support for their learners. They need to understand their learners' strengths, which they can highlight, and their weaknesses where they can encourage those learners. Also, the second part to this is to sustain implementation. So in order to see real permanent change, that means that there has to be sustained implementation. For most professionals, that means 3 to 5 years of ongoing implementation, ongoing support in implementing change, and more than just periodic professional learning. There just needs to be ongoing support in order to implement that change. And the third part of this is to provide constructive feedback. This is for the leaders to the learners. What this does is this will accelerate implementation. It will refine practices to make them more effective, and it will really just make the whole change process go smoother. The way that you do this is that you set calming, clear expectations for your learners. You provide frequent feedback for those learners, and you base it on what the expected behaviors are going to be. You acknowledge progress, and you provide guidance where needed. Anyway, that is my summary of the implementation. That is my summary for the implementation standard for professional learning. Thank you for watching.